Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got ourselves some nice little lawn cart that we're going to make into a little herb garden. So follow along. Alright, overall this piece is in pretty good condition, a little rusty, especially inside here. So what we're going to do is just give it a vinegar bath, get it cleaned up as much as possible, scuff sand it down. The wheels work, so we don't really have anything to do there. And since we're just turning it into a nice herb garden that we can pull in and out of the sun here in Phoenix, it's so hot it'll burn the herbs, so we're going to put it under the shade and then pull it out when it's a little bit cooler out in the morning and in the late evening to get just some sun. So we're going to clean it out as much as possible. We'll put some nice dirt in here eventually. I'll make sure everything's nice and tight. There's nothing that's going to scratch anything or anybody. And then, well, pretty straightforward project, but I thought it'd be cool just to see the process go through it. So let's get started by washing it, and then we're going to put vinegar in it. We're going to scrub it all out, remove any of the loose rust, and well, we'll go from there. Alright, I just got some vinegar left over here. I'm going to dump it in here, and then I'm just going to scrub the piece down, and then I got to get to a honey-do list of mowing the yard for my wife, so we'll let it sit in here. Between doing the front yard and the backyard, I'll come back, scrub this down again, and just keep it all wet with the vinegar on it, and then we'll wash it all out. And then from that point we'll do a little SOS pad on it, a little wire brush stuff, get anything that's loose, and that's what it's going to look like to finish with. So let's get started. Alright, I think we're ready. We're going to put our soil in here, and then we're going to put our herbs in there. So what we decided on was basil, parsley, mint, and cilantro. So it's going to be a great mix. So let's get the dirt in, then we can plant our plants. We'll keep them separated here because they don't like to talk to each other, I think. And then we'll see how that looks. Alright, here it is complete. I had to make a tarp cover for it. It's Phoenix, it's hot. I don't want them to burn up. I want to keep them. So, keep them with the vintage look. Made a little canopy for it. I'm going to water these, and then I'm going to find a place to put them so they'll get some sun and partial shade. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep trying to do some cool things with some cool pieces.